All right, let's take a look at the day's business, where importers have been given the leeway to choose whether to ferry their cargo from the Port of Mombasa by road or via the standard gauge railway. Kenya Ports Authority Acting Managing Director John Mwangemi says the latest announcement is in compliance with a directive by President William Ruto to revert all port operations to the Port of Mombasa.
In his inauguration speech, President William Ruto directed that all port operations be reverted from Nairobi and Naivasha inland container depots to the Port of Mombasa. The decision was meant to restore jobs that had been lost in the coastal region due to the transfer of some activities from the Port of Mombasa, including trucking services, due to an order requiring all cargo from the port to be ferried by the standard gauge railway.
This afternoon, I will be issuing instructions for clearing of goods and other attendant operational issues to revert to the Port of Mombasa, as I made a commitment.
In line with the directive, the Kenya Ports Authority has issued an order rescinding the June 2018 order that directed all cargo from the Port of Mombasa be transported by the standard gauge railway to the inland container depots in Nairobi and Naivasha for clearance. The statement by KPA reads in part, quote, "This is therefore to notify all shipping lines that importers' documentation of place of clearance and mode of transport for their goods shall be at their choice. Shipping lines are hereby advised to facilitate importers' nomination of place of clearance, including port clearance, Kenya Revenue Authority's licensed container freight stations, and Kenya Ports Authority's inland container depots." End of quote. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.